Hello students, today we are going to start topic nutrition. First of all, what is nutrition? Nutrition is a process of intake as well as utilization of nutrients by an organism. So nutrition is a process of intake as well as utilization of nutrient. It's a process of breakdown of nutrients into smaller molecules and their absorption. Now, food provides us nutrition and energy. It contains different type of nutrient in varying amount according to the need of our body. Now, what is nutrient? So, nutrient defined as these are the substances required by our body for growth, repair, work and maintenance of the body. Substances. Now, there are different type of nutrients. These are carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Now, after the definition of nutrition and nutrients, we have mode of nutrition. There are several modes of nutrition on the basis of which organisms are classified as follows. So, there are two types of mode of nutrition. First is autotrophic and second is heterotrophic. Autotrophic type of mode of nutrition. In this type of mode of nutrition, organisms are able to synthesize their own food. While in heterotrophic type of mode of nutrition, organisms cannot synthesize their own food. So first of all, we have autotrophic type of mode of nutrition. Now, it is a mode of nutrition in which organisms prepare their own food. Then, how organism can prepare their own food? Inorganic molecule like CO2 and H2O are converted into organic molecules like glucose in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Example of autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic type of mode of nutrition found in green plants and bacteria. Now, autotrophic type of mode of nutrition. The organism in which autotrophic type of mode of nutrition is found called as autotrophs. Now, autotrophs further divided in two parts. There are two types. First is photoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs are those organisms which utilize sunlight for preparing their own food. Organisms which are utilize sunlight preparing their food. Example: green plants, purple, red and green bacteria. While second type of autotrophs is chemoautotrophs. Chemoautotrophs organisms are those organisms which utilize chemical energy for preparing their own food. Example: sulfur bacteria, methane bacteria, and iron bacteria. Now, next type of mode of nutrition is heterotrophic type of mode of nutrition. As I have already told you that heterotrophic type of mode of nutrition, in this type of mode of nutrition, organisms derive their own food from some other animals or plants. Because they heterotrophic type of mode of nutrition, in this type of mode of nutrition, organisms derive their own food from some other animals and plants because they cannot prepare their own food. Example: human being. Now, heterotrophs are further categorized depending on the nature of food they consume. So, they are categorized in 7 categories on the basis of nature of food they consume. So, first category of heterotroph is herbivores. First category is herbivores. Herbivores are those animals which are feed on only plants, or animals which eat only plants. So, example of these animals is cow, goat. Now, second category of heterotrophs is carnivores. Animals, they feed on flesh of other animals. Example: lion, vulture, tiger, fox, etc. Now, third category is omnivores. They feed on plants and animals both. Example of omnivores are human being, cat, dog. Now, fourth category is detritivores. Organisms which are feed on organisms which are feed on detritus or dead organic matter. Example of detritivores: earthworm and slime molds. Now, fifth category of heterotrophs is sanguivores or sanguivorous. They feed on blood of other organisms. Example: leech, female mosquito. This category is frugivores. They feed on fruits. Example: parrot. And seventh and last category is insectivores. And insectivores are those organisms which feed on insects. And example of insectivores are bats, lizard, and some plants also called as insectivores. Example: Utricularia. Common name of Utricularia is bladderwort. These all are category of heterotrophic type of mode of nutrition, and they all are heterotrophs. Now next is mode of nutrition on the basis of feeding mode of feeding of organisms.